Get your nose all up here. Ew.
Let me show the thing. I know. Dog and food. Hey. We cut his hair today by ourselves.
Don't look at me. What's going on? Yo, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener here with Evie.
Hi, guys.
Okay, today we're taste testing something a little different. Some people call it a fruit. I call it a vegetable, but it's a Kumato.
Kumato.
K-U-M-A-T-O. Kumato. Go ahead and crack it open. Split it. Just to be honest with everyone, I don't like tomatoes. I don't like them. But these Kumatos right here, they come in various colors. These are the brown ones. They come in greenish, green, purple, and like a reddish brown. I think those are the colors. And they're supposed to be actually sweeter than regular red tomatoes. This is the normal size of the tomato. They don't get bigger.
Smell tomato.
It looks good.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks good. But, you know, looks can be deceiving.
Let's see.
But like they said it's supposed to be sweeter. I can't see a tomato being sweet.
You don't like tomato.
I don't like tomatoes.
I know.
It's something about the texture and the taste I just don't like. I already know I'm not going to like this.
Regular tomato.
Tastes like a regular tomato?
Exactly. No difference.
Homeboy, come here.
Ha! Romeo fall in love with tomato.
Come here, boy. See if he likes this.
No, tomate, filho. Tomate. One more piece. Delicious. Yeah, he like. Let me wash my hand.
You got some juice on me. Some tomato juice.
Try, baby.
Oh.
This is the deal.
Now, you know what? I like ketchup and I like pizza sauce.
Yeah.
But that's processed. And I think that's why I like it. I just like tomatoes ever since I was little. I don't know why. I remember I accidentally bit into a burger. And it was it had a tomato in there and my face instantly frowned up.
Oh, really, babe?
Yeah. Now this is a hybrid, which means that you can't use the seeds for replanting. Because if you try it, it's not gonna develop like the parent did. Who knows what you're gonna get? But me eating a tomato, ugh. And the only time I eat these is by accident. Oh, what's your number?
My number is 8. Yeah, because it's regular, but again.
You all choked up.
Because another kind of tomato, the really red, is sweet, more sweet than this.
Okay, they said this is sweeter than that.
Yeah, but I don't
You don't think so?
Yeah.
But then again, like I was saying earlier, you cannot plant this and expect it to grow into a Kumato. I'm not sure why they call it a Kumato, but I'm gonna put this in the description. I'm gonna put why they call it that and where it came from and everything, so you'll see it. My number for this is -0. That's why I don't like tomatoes. But I try to be a sport and try it.
Yeah, open to
I'm open to try new things and no.
Yeah, look at me. Tomato salad with onion and olive oil. And lucky Romeo.
Dog eating tomatoes. Yeah. No. If I saw this in the store again, unless she wanted it or put it in the basket, I'm not going to say it has an astringent taste about it. Like, my mouth does feel a little different eating it.
Really, babe?
Yeah. When I was younger, I always thought I was allergic to tomatoes.
Oh, this is the reason you don't like.
Yeah.
Your mind.
Yeah, maybe my mind. But no, that's enough for me. If I saw this in the store again, I'll with the cart this real fast. But yeah, Your Weekend Gardener Evie, another taste test. Like, comment, subscribe, share.
It's free, people.
It's free and boom. See you on the next one.
Bye.